the ambassador, one and only Mr. Nelson. First of all, congratulations to Nila Larry for mounting this very successful show. Not everybody could have this grandiose show. And from now on, you have to call me Your Excellency because I'm an ambassador of fashion. And kidding aside, I'm so thankful to the Lord, of course, for bringing me to this world of fashion. And I hope that I am inspiring the new designers and my other co-designers for what I'm doing. What I achieve is not only for myself, this is for everybody. And what else can I say? But I hope God will give me more time so I could be of help, not only to my clients, I mean, not only to entertain my clients and to make them happy, but of course to give more jobs to my costureras and the other people who are involved in the fashion industry, like Lalaine Madaran. the queen of telas. So everyone, thank you so much for witnessing this event. I love you all, and believe me, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you coming over. To God be the glory. Thank you so much. Last word.
Alam mo, Mama, nakahabol pa, no? You know that I love you very much, and you are truly a gift of heaven to mankind. Not just to the Philippines, but He gives glory to our country all over the world. So truly, the song fits you. The winner takes it all. And that's Mama Rene Salud. I'm sorry, Ambassador Rene Salud. Your Excellency. Thank you, Mama. Congratulations.
Of course, Miss Jessie Malo.
Isa lang masasabi ko kay Mama Rene. All over the world. Iikutin natin ang mundo, Mama Rene!
Okay, for the last walk, Madam Rene Salud, may, together with her friends, yes, no? Thank you so much for gracing this beautiful evening with us. Thank you, Lord, that this will be a very memorable day for the Philippine fashion history.
And then, sa yung interdiction.
Thank you so much. Very unforgettable evening for us. Manila International Fashion Week will never be the same again. For giving us this momentous event. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Rene Salud and